Good morning, friends. Hope you are safe and doing well in your fields. I pray to God for your good health. Today, we may discuss regarding the exemption which can be given by the GST department. First of all, let us be clear about the difference between the exempted goods and the goods which are not covered under GST. The goods which are not covered under GST are petroleum products, petrol, diesel, gas, and wines of different types. That matter has been left on the state governments, and still VAT is leviable on those products, and the revenue from those products are being retained at state governments level. Decision with regard to their rates, etc., are also being taken by the state governments, as we must be aware that recently in the past a huge increase was made in the VAT rates of wine in Delhi state. So that was a state decision. Now, what are the exempted goods? CGST Act Section 11 of the CGST Act gives powers to the central government, to the GST department, to exempt certain goods from GST in the interest of the public. This exemption can be granted for 1 year. This exemption shall be effective from the date of issue of the notification. There is no compulsion of gazette notification of this type of exemption being given by the government. Exempted goods are categorized as nil rated goods, and the GST assesses dealing with such type of goods cannot collect GST on such goods. Government can do this. Government can allow exemption in the interest of the public at large. GST exemption can also be allowed to public undertakings involved in certain type of services. GST exemption is also allowable in case of services, but right now there is only one category of the services which are allowed as exempted, and those are providing support services to agriculture, fishing, and animal husbandry. These sort of exemptions can be allowed from time to time and shall remain effective for a period of 1 year from the date of issue of the notification. I hope the basic idea is clear to you about the exemption. Still, if you have any query, you are most welcome to talk to me at my cell 98964 50904.